Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you own a 2.0 Camaro that is looking to bring down those intake air temperatures and add a bit more boost, then this Mishimoto Performance Intercooler is the perfect solution for you. The whole point of an intercooler is to increase performance by lowering the air intake temperatures, which in turn can add boost. The factory intercooler does an okay job, but once you start to modify the factory components, it will become inefficient and start to rob horsepower. The Mishimoto design is a great improvement over stock by replacing it with a larger unit that has an increased volume by 45% and has an overall larger core by 78%. When compared to stock, the intercooler is 2 inches thicker and has increased external fin surface, allowing for a better heat dissipation. The kit will also utilize the factory charge pipes, although since you are already there, a simple upgrade to those pipes can be easily done. The Mishimoto charge pipes work well to match with their intercooler design. Installation of this kit will require us to remove the front bumper to access the factory intercooler, but once removed, this unit will slide right back into the factory location. To wrap it all up, the Mishimoto intercooler is an all-aluminum drop-in replacement for the factory unit. It works with the factory quick disconnect charge pipes, and it produces a dramatic drop in temperature over the stock unit during heat soak. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.